Good afternoon, folks. I just wanted to show you something that I thought was a little bit interesting. Alright, so here we are. It's January the 4th, 2022. And it hasn't dipped below 55 degrees at all late last year or at all this year. And this is Zone 9B of Florida. And here are the Luffa Gourds. Right? Most of them died off, but we've got one hanging on now. It seems to be trying to come back. So, I think it's safe to say, if you look, that vine has new growth here. So I think it's safe to say that it is continuing to stay alive. Anyhow, I just wanted to update you on the Luffa Gourd situation here in Zone 9B, Florida. No fertilizers, not really any mulch, just what you see that's natural. And that's it. Just water every other day or so. Anyhow, I'm going to let it keep growing and keep you updated on the progress going into this new year. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.